So, ethical guidelines for computer professionals. So, ethical guidelines help professional make responsible decision, protect user and ensure that technology is used for the benefit of society. So, computer professional di ay kay nagplay og important role sa society because technology affects people's daily life. So these guidelines promote honesty, fairness, accountability, and respect for others. So ethical guidelines for computer professionals. Computer professionals are expected to follow ethical principle in their work. Some of key guidelines include honesty and integrity, respect for privacy, responsibility and accountability, fairness and non discrimination, professional competence, and public interest. So, honesty and integrity. So, professionals should be truthful in their work and avoid deception or misrepresentation. So, they should provide accurate information and acknowledge mistake when they occur. The next is respect for privacy. Personal information must be protected from unauthorized access. So professional kuno should respect the confidentiality of data collected from the user. So dapat i-protect nila ang kanang confidentiality kay confidential man jud ang data nga ilang na-collect gikan sa user. So and then responsibility and accountability. So, computer professionals are responsible for the system they design, develop, and maintain. So, if they are responsible for the system they design, develop, and maintain, they should accept accountability for the outcome of their work. Next is fairness and non discrimination. Technology should be designed and used without bias or discrimination. So, dapat equal ang opportunities and fair treatment should be promoted. Next is professional competence. Professionals should continuously improve their knowledge and skills. So they should only undertake tasks for which they are qualified. So if dili ka qualified ani, dili na lang magpaalig-alig kay professional man ka. So dapat kung asa ka maayo, dito na lang jud ka. If ginahan ka ana nga butang, so dapat pag-aralan nimo daan or kabisado nimo daan ya ka mo try ana na butang. So the next is public interest. The welfare and safety of the public should always be considered because technology should be used to improve society and avoid causing harm. Next is special aspect of professional ethics. So, the definition is the professional ethics refers to the moral standard and principle that guides the behavior of individuals in their profession. In computing, these ethics are especially important because technology can significantly impact people, organization, and society. So, the special aspect of professional ethics in computing, they have like one, protection of information, two, intellectual property rights, three, cybersecurity responsibility, four, social responsibility, five, ethical decision making, six, continuous learning and professional growth. So, number one is protection of information. So, computer professional often handle sensitive data. They must ensure that information is secure and protected from misuse. So, dapat ang computer professional kay naghandle man sila og sensitive data, dapat i-sure nila nga ang information nga ilang na-gather or nakuha is secure na siya from misuse nga para dili siya magamit for like false thing or for scam, something like that, para di magamit nga sa uban nga mo'y gamito nila mang scam. So the next is intellectual property rights. Professionals should respect copyrights, patents, and software licenses. Copying or distributing software without permission is unethical and often illegal. So, kay professional man ta, dapat i-respect jud ang copyrights, nga na patents and software, kay sayang kayo ang hard work sa ubang mga kanang inventor or kanang writer. For example, if dili muawat ra ka if dili ka mosunod sa copyright, something like that. Kay illegal man na siya ang kuan na may case na if mag-copyright ka kay makasuhan jud ka. So the next is cybersecurity responsibility. Computers professionals should design secure system and help prevent cyber threats, hacking, and data breaches. So, ka-computer professional man ta, dapat mag-design tag secure nga security system para ma-prevent ang threat sa hacking ug data breaches. Kay if ma-hack ang isa ka system, murag dira magsugod ang mga ethical issue nga dili na nimo mapugnan. So the next is social responsibility. Technology should be developed in ways that benefit society and minimize negative impact on individuals and community. So kay technology is fast advancing man, dapat ang technology is not faced or not dili maila as threat kay nag-evolve man ang technology, dapat nag-evolve pud atong understanding ug sabton nato ang technology nga dapat mo benefit siya sa society ug dili siya mahimong negative impact sa individuals ug sa community. So the next is ethical decision making. Professionals may face situation where legal actions are not always ethical. They should evaluate the consequences of their decision and choose action that are morally responsible. So kay professional man ta or professional man, dapat kung natay ma-face nga situation, dapat situation where legal actions are not always ethical, dapat i-evaluate jud siya ang consequences. For example, ano nimo ang consequences dahan sa imong buhaton kung tama ba ni or mali, or kung unsa ang consequences, kung makaya ba nimo ang consequences, or kung mahimo mas malesen ang consequences na mahitabo. So the next is continuous learning and professional growth. Because technology changes rapidly, professional must stay updated with new developments and ethical challenges in field. So as I say earlier, technology is fast advancing. So ang professional dapat mag-stay updated sa mga new development, new update sa mga new nga mga kanang update sa mga technology para mas dali nga ma-solve ang mga ethical challenges or ethical problem nga ma-face sa field on the way. So, last is the conclusion. So, ethical guidelines are essential for computer professionals because they promote responsible behavior, protect user, and maintain public trust in technology. By following professional ethics, computer professionals can contribute to the development of safe, reliable, and beneficial technological solutions that serve society effectively. And that would be all. Thank you.